Stellantis. So it's been around 2021, I believe, and basically they are Persianising all popular models: Italian, German, French, with the same engine technology, the same type of platform. 78% common of components used to building these cars. The only difference is aesthetically, the headlights different, but it's all the same software, engine, and so on. And this is killing off popular brands. Lancia practically doesn't exist anymore. It's reduced to this 3-cylinder 1.2 PureTech expensive 3-badge Peugeot, which is sold only here in Italy, nowhere else. And regarding the Opel, people expect to buy a German car. You're basically buying a photocopied version of a Peugeot model. And other popular brands are disappearing in the name of standardizing models, and obviously in the name of profit. In the name of profit and cut costing means the quality of these products have just gone downhill. Serious issues with a PureTech engine, which around about 48,000 kilometres. The belt, the internal belt, which is wet with oil, it disintegrates, and they say you have to change it at 120,000 kilometres. And so far, this type of engine came out 3 generations, one worse than the other. In the name of profit, they're destroying them historical cars and names to make, crappy cars. And you make, due to its Peugeot, they make you pay a hell of a lot of money for it. And people, when they come across with these defective models with this PureTech engine, costly repairs, regarding the extended warranty, it does not resolve the problem unless you don't have a documented and a solid case regarding a problem with these engines, with these cars. They don't give a shit still, aren't they, about their customers. It's a way of business. It's just demolishing what remains. What's going to remain for future models, seem they're insane and crazy, are all future models will be electric. That's another thing, all electric. Europe hasn't pronounced whether they're going to go for electric or not. And factories are closing. Germany and Italy, and they're taking the production in Morocco or in France. Practically the only Fiat car which is badged is the Grande Punto. This is basically another Citroen C3 crossover, same engine, which are making in Serbia, which looks like a bloody Lego car, which mounts the PureTech engine. But things are different in Brazil. The Grande Punto will be known as the Fiat Uno, and they won't use the engine of the PSI PureTech they're going to use Fiat engines. And even the 208, which they're producing in Brazil, they're going to use a Fiat engine. I wonder why. Because they closed the factory of when they make the traditional engines of the Fiat, which was called Fire. Now transfer a part of it to America and Brazil. And they're churning out this disastrous engine of the Burtec, where it's a 1.2, where it's a 3 or 4 cylinder. It disintegrates. It's designed to disintegrate. The car dealers knew it, the manufacturers knew it, the engineers knew it. These recalling campaigns and, twerking around replacing parts, and you think you can resolve it. We're talking about a third massive recall for the same engine problems, basically, from belt to chain, problems on the gasket head, screw of the rocket of the crankshaft, and so on. It's a cheap piece of rubbish. It's even more worse than Chinese cars. Especially new cars, how they're assembled, especially the Fiat 500s, the electric version, and now them doing the so-called petrol version. It's absolutely shit. And they make you pay a hell of money for a lump of shit. My advice is boycott Stellantis. Go for other brands. Because it's the end of the brands which are underneath this monstrous corporation.